There's a place in the backyard where we've been sitting quite a bit, and I didn't really want to bring electricity out there. I definitely don't want to bring any kind of battery powered thing out there. I'd rather have it just kind of be something that's there. So I went with this light. Saw this one has great reviews, so let's take a look at it. First off, it's got the clicker, so it's got a switch. Got the hanging part here. It's all tangled up, obviously. Got the hanging part here with the bulb. And then we've got a solar panel. And once we put this all together, now we'll have power out there with a switch, but it'll be solar powered. We won't have to run any electric out there. It'll have a nice bulb. Looks cool. And it is cool because it's an LED bulb. But how cool is that? So this would be a really cool piece out there, and no electricity, just the solar panel. Hope this helps.